Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in-depth reviews of the latest products. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest items on the market right now, the Rip Curl Men's Boardwalk Shorts. If you're looking for stylish comfort and functionality, these might just be the perfect fit for you. Stick around as we explore every detail you need to know about these shorts. Let's kick things off with what makes the Rip Curl Men's Boardwalk Shorts stand out. Designed as hybrid shorts, they blend the casual appeal of everyday wear with the performance features you'd expect from activewear. Made from a blend of 79% polyester, 13% cotton, and 8% spandex, these shorts offer a great balance of comfort and flexibility. They feature a classic button closure and are easy to care for with machine washability. Whether you're heading to the beach, going for a casual outing, or just lounging at home, these shorts are versatile enough to handle it all. The fabric not only feels great against the skin but also offers durability and breathability, which is perfect for those warm summer days. Plus, they're available in a sleek black color, ensuring they'll match effortlessly with your wardrobe. Speaking of fit, these shorts come in various sizes to accommodate different body types. They're designed to provide a comfortable fit without sacrificing style, thanks to their flat front design. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable pair of shorts that combine style, comfort, and performance, the Rip Curl Men's Boardwalk Shorts should definitely be on your radar. They've earned their spot as one of the best options available right now. That wraps up our review of the Rip Curl Men's Boardwalk Shorts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed product reviews. Have you tried these shorts yourself? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay stylish and comfortable.